The Explore 3 has landed in the craft room. We're going to do an unboxing. I can't seem to connect it to my phone. Today did not go as planned at all. Hello friends! So the Explore 3 has landed in the craft room. It's only been on sale I think for a week at the time of recording this video, so I'm so excited to have the machine here. Today we're going to do an unboxing and just take a look at the thing. We're going to see how quick and easy it is to set up and try a couple of easy projects. I do want to do a follow-up video for you once I've had some time to kind of play around with the machine and really test it out and give you my verdict on whether the Explore 3 is a machine that is worth your investment. Before we start, I have to say a massive thank you to Cricut for sending me the Explore 3 and this amazing haul of supplies to use with it. But yeah, I don't know what we're waiting for. Let's just get on and unbox this thing. One thing I do love about the unboxing experience when it comes to a Cricut machine is that they have gone to some pains to make it like you're unboxing an Apple product, there is an experience to it. I'm going to need some scissors. Aha. It says here, you were born creative. So we've got just the instruction manual that comes with it. Might have the warranty in there too. And these are the new smart materials. So I will talk to you more about those, but in the previous models, the Explorer 2 and the Maker, you would actually have received a cutting mat in your box, but there isn't one in this box. Oh. She's a heavy thing. I'm going to pick it up from the floor. There we go! Right, so the other bits in the box were just charging wires. There is the UK 3-pin plug adapter, and then I guess this is the US version. Alright, let's open up the machine. This is so weird. These bits of plastic are only on the very end. Alright, here she is, guys. So, it has got a matte finish to it. This colour is my absolute favourite. I'll show you. I've actually even painted my front door in this same colour. I love it. So I'm already a big fan. Let's remove this. Okay, so let's take a look at it on the outside. What have we got? There is a little tool holder here. May as well put a tool in there. This button here, I assume is going to open it. I'll do that in a second. And then we've got buttons to turn on, unload your mat, start to cut, and pause the cut. And so yeah, if you look at this bottom section here, this is actually with a gloss finish, and the rest of it is such a beautiful, smooth, silky, velvety kind of matte finish. And around the back, it has got the plug point for the charging wire, and then also one to connect to your computer with. Okay. Are you ready to press the button? Should we do it? Okay. That is just never gonna get old. It's such a smooth mechanism and it's such a grand happening, right? Oh, look, it's all open and you can see the inside of the machine now. Okay, there's this bit of polystyrene protection. And then, oh guys, you have got to see how shiny this mechanism is. Like this top bit here, like the bevel is really mirrored and shiny, and then the top has got a metallic silver matte finish. I love that already. And then you got the two clamps. So this is for holding pens, and then this is for all the cutting blades. It's come with a very nice fine point blade. What else have we got inside? So there are two compartments here in the drawer, and they've still got a little magnetic strip. Let's test that for holding your spare blades. So I've got my foil transfer kit blade here. Yeah, it's magnetic. Cool. All right, let's get it plugged in, and then why not test out some of the materials that came with it. Okay, I located the correct plug point that I needed. Let's turn it on, guys. Very nice. What I'm going to do is just see how easy it is to connect to my phone. I'm going to open up Cricut Design Space on my phone. Then we'll go to Machine Selection. Explore 3. Can't believe I have it. It's so exciting. Let's see, what materials did we get? It seems like they're all smart materials. We've got some matte black removable smart vinyl. Some transfer tape to go with that. Smart iron-on. Quite like this color. It's a really nice sort of deep blue sort of a finish. I like that. Smart paper sticker cardstock in white, which is really good. It's nice. It's I could probably use that in loads of different projects. I'm going to cut like a lattice pattern out on this smart vinyl, and we will see how quickly the machine can do it. So I've got the pattern on my canvas. I will put the image number in the description if you guys want to try this yourself. Hit make it. So first of all, it's asking me, am I cutting without a mat? And yes, I am, because we've got smart materials now, which means you do not have to use a mat. I'll talk more about that in a bit. Let's just test it out first. Okay, so I'm going to select without mat. Okay, and it is just showing me the amount of material that I need. That's fine. I've already sized it up to fit on here. Continue. Select an accessory. It's definitely on. Let me check my Bluetooth.
Much later.
Okay, I can't seem to connect it to my phone. Maybe you are supposed to connect to your laptop before you can use your phone, so I'm just gonna switch to the laptop and let's see what happens. I am back with the laptop, and let's do this as a new product setup. Smart cutting machine, Explore 3. So it says that I need to have 10 inches of space behind, so I've got plenty behind, that's fine. Plug in, that's already done. Maybe this is the problem. I think you have got to use the cord to connect your Explore. It doesn't have Bluetooth capability. Alright then, let's do it that way. Yay! I think it's worked! Okay, so it's just doing the update that it does whenever you connect a new machine. Update. And now it's rebooting. So I can see that the light on it has gone pink, so I know something funny is happening. It's doing something! We're connected! Yay! Next. Success! Time to load up! So, if it's anything like the Joy, then it will just be able to sense when the material comes in. Okay. Oh, it sounds lovely, guys. Okay, so I did have to press the arrows to get it to feed the material in. On the Joy, it just does it automatically. And then it fed it through back and forth and said it was measuring the material length. So that's great, because then you won't be able to accidentally put in a piece of material that's too short for your project. I've definitely done that on my Maker, where I put the wrong size material on my mat and ended up with half my cut. Okay, so I'm gonna hit go. I'm so excited to do this and see how fast this thing is. Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, that was less dramatic than I expected. It's sending the information to the machine, I think, on what it wants to cut. Okay. Whoa. Oh, I'm having no luck with this machine today. It's just stopped at 4% of the cut. I haven't got a clue what happened. It's not cutting. Maybe I have a faulty machine. Well, today did not go as planned at all. We managed to connect, and then we managed to start a cut, but it just wouldn't complete the cut, and I don't know what the issue is there. Like, was it the image I was trying to cut, although there is a Cricut Access image? So I tested it with just a simple shape, a circle and a square, and those cut fine. So maybe it is the image that I used. So what I will do now is, I'll spend some time with the machine, I'll try and get it working. I've never had this issue with the Maker or the Cricut Joy, so maybe it's just this particular machine has some error. Because yeah, I really wouldn't want any of you guys to have an experience like this when you first open up your machines, because it's such an exciting thing, and I'm still really excited. I'm a little bit upset that I wasn't able to test the fast cutting of it. Which reminds me that I haven't even been able to tell you about all the cool things that this machine is supposed to be able to do. So the main difference is you don't have to use mats on the Cricut Explore 3 and the Maker 3. So you know that they're digital cutting machines and you would ordinarily put whatever you're cutting onto the mat and then feed it in the machine. But Cricut introduced matless cutting with the Cricut Joy, where you just feed the material directly in and don't have to put it onto a mat. And they've now expanded that onto their bigger machines, the Explorer and the Maker. And because it is without a cutting mat, they've been able to upgrade the technology so that it cuts twice as fast as it does on the existing machines. So I'm sorry I couldn't show you today just how quick is, because I know that it is really quick from the videos and research that I've done on these. What it also means is the rolls of smart vinyl come in a length of, so this is 3.6 meters. I'm sure I've got something longer. No, 3.6 meters or 12 feet. That is the length of one roll of smart vinyl, and theoretically you could cut the entire length of this vinyl. And don't worry, you do get transfer tape in the same length if you want to transfer the entire massive long thing that you've cut onto a wall or a window or something. That's what I'm excited for when it comes to these machines, the fact that it cuts twice as fast, the new materials, and when it comes to new materials in particular, I'm excited for the smart sticker paper. So this is basically cardstock, and it's smart material, so it needs no mat when you cut it in your machine, and it has a sticky back, which is so cool because, you know, when we're scrapbooking or making cards, that's going to make life so easy, because I'm sure you know, trying to glue really small intricate designs like I like to make onto, you know, your card or your scrapbook is really hard to do without getting the glue everywhere. So I'm really excited for this. I can only apologize that we didn't get a successful cut today, but you know, I wanted you guys to be here with me when I unboxed this machine. I know how excited we all are for them, so yeah, I will definitely get working with it. I will figure everything out, and then we will do a proper in-depth review of the Explore, and I will answer all the questions you have. Leave any questions that you may have in the comments below, and I will try and incorporate as much of what you guys want to know into my video. Thank you so much for watching and making it all the way to the end of the worst Cricut Explore 3 unboxing ever. Oh no, wait, don't go yet. I forgot to open the envelope thing. Alright. Alright, there is a booklet which is the manual, I think. Just a little leaflet with the help website you can go to. Then we've got, this is the material they want you to use when you do the test cut, when you first connect your machine, the warranty, and safety instructions. Alright, see you next time guys. Happy crafting!